ever pondered why cancer, a disease as old as civilization, still remains one of the greatest health challenges of our time? It's a burning question that lingers in the minds of many. Cancer is not just a single disease, but a complex array of distinct types, each with its own unique characteristics and challenges. Its prevalence is staggering, affecting millions globally, making it a universal health concern. And yet, despite its omnipresence, it remains shrouded in mystery. The key to unraveling this mystery lies in understanding its many forms, recognizing its often elusive symptoms, and exploring the range of treatments available. In this video, we're embarking on a journey to uncover these aspects of cancer. We'll delve into the myriad types of cancer that exist, uncover the signs that may signal its presence, and navigate the landscape of modern treatments. The more we understand, the better equipped we are to fight, so stay tuned as we dive into the world of cancer. Cancer is not a single disease, but a collection of related diseases. Our bodies are made up of trillions of cells, each with their own purpose and lifespan. When these cells go rogue, multiplying uncontrollably and refusing to die, that's when we encounter cancer. However, it's crucial to understand that cancer isn't just one entity, but an umbrella term for more than 100 different diseases, each with its own distinctive characteristics. Take, for example, breast cancer, the most common cancer among women worldwide. This cancer originates in the breast tissue, and its cause is largely attributed to a combination of genetic, hormonal, and environmental factors. On the other hand, lung cancer, notorious for being the leading cause of cancer deaths for both men and women, is most often the result of long-term smoking and exposure to secondhand smoke. Next, let's talk about prostate cancer, which is the second most common cancer in men. This cancer grows slowly and initially remains confined to the prostate gland, where it may not cause serious harm. However, certain types can be aggressive and spread quickly. Then we have colorectal cancer, which affects both men and women. It usually starts as small, benign clumps of cells called polyps that form on the inside of the colon. Over time, these polyps can become colon cancers. Each of these cancers has a different prevalence rate, cause, and effect on the body. They may start in different places, be triggered by different factors, and present different challenges. Yet they all fall under the vast umbrella of cancer. While these cancers may differ, they share a common enemy: our knowledge and awareness. By understanding these diseases, recognizing their signs, and staying informed about the latest research, we can empower ourselves in the fight against cancer. We can take preventive measures, get regular screenings, and seek timely treatment, because the more we know, the better prepared we are to face this enemy. So, let's keep learning and spreading awareness about the many faces of cancer. Remember, knowledge is power, which is cancer often whispers its arrival through subtle changes in our bodies. It's not always a dramatic event like in the movies, but rather a series of small, almost imperceptible shifts that can easily be overlooked or mistaken for less serious conditions. Consider unexplained weight loss. It's common to lose a few pounds here and there due to stress or changes in diet. But when you're shedding weight without trying, and it's 10 or more pounds, it may be a signal that something is not quite right. This could be one of the early signs of cancer, particularly cancers of the pancreas, stomach, esophagus, or lung. Next, let's talk about persistent fatigue. We all have those days when we're feeling run down or a bit off. However, if you're constantly feeling exhausted, even after a good night's sleep, it's worth paying attention to. While fatigue can be a symptom of many things, it can also be associated with certain types of cancer. Changes in the skin are another symptom to keep an eye on. This isn't just about skin cancer, but other cancers as well. Look out for darker looking skin, yellowish skin and eyes, reddened skin, itching, or excessive hair growth. And then, there's persistent pain. Pain is our body's way of telling us something is wrong. If you have a constant headache, it could be a sign of a brain tumor. Ongoing pain in the chest could be a sign of lung cancer. And constant belly pain could be a sign of colorectal or pancreatic cancer. In each of these instances, it's important to remember that these symptoms can be caused by a number of conditions and not just cancer. But if they persist without explanation, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional. Remember, early detection can be a game changer in the battle against cancer. So listen to the whispers of your body. It's better to seek help early and rule out cancer than to ignore the signs and allow the disease to gain a foothold. Cancer may be a formidable foe, but humanity has never been one to back down from a fight. Now let's delve into the main types of cancer treatments that are helping us wage this battle. These include surgery, radiation therapy, chemotherapy, immunotherapy, targeted therapy, hormone therapy, stem cell transplant, and precision medicine. Let's start with surgery. This is one of the oldest types of cancer treatment, and it's often used when cancer is located in one specific area of the body. It's as straightforward as it sounds. A surgeon removes the cancerous tissue, aiming to leave behind a body free of cancer. Next, we have radiation therapy. This treatment uses high-energy particles or waves, such as X-rays, gamma rays, electron beams, or protons, to destroy or damage cancer cells. It's often used in conjunction with other treatments to maximize effectiveness. Then there's chemotherapy. This involves using drugs to kill cancer cells. It's a systemic treatment, meaning it works throughout the entire body. It's a common choice for cancers that have spread to various parts of the body. Immunotherapy is a newer field of cancer treatment that uses the body's immune system to fight cancer. It harnesses the natural power of your immune cells, supercharging them to recognize and combat cancer cells. Targeted therapy, on the other hand, uses drugs to target specific genes and proteins that are involved in the growth and survival of cancer cells. This type of therapy can be more effective and comes with fewer side effects than traditional chemotherapy. Hormone therapy is used for cancers that grow in response to hormones. By blocking the body's ability to produce these hormones, or by stopping the hormones from acting, this treatment can slow or stop the growth of cancer. Stem cell transplants, including bone marrow transplants, restore the body's ability to produce blood cells after high-dose chemotherapy or radiation therapy. This can be a lifesaver for patients with certain types of cancer that affect the blood or bone marrow. Lastly, we have precision medicine. This is an innovative approach that takes into account individual differences in people's genes, environments, and lifestyles. It allows doctors to select treatments that are most likely to help patients based on a genetic understanding of their disease. While these treatments can be tough, they represent our best chance at beating cancer. Each one offers a ray of hope, a path to recovery. We are in an era where medical advances are happening at an unprecedented pace. And these treatments are testament to the human spirit's relentless pursuit of healing and survival. Remember, every cancer journey is unique. What works for one person may not work for another, but with a range of treatments available, there's always a way forward. While these treatments can be tough, they represent our best chance at beating cancer. Knowledge is power, and sharing that knowledge can save lives. When it comes to cancer, the power of knowledge cannot be underestimated. It's a terrifying disease that can strike anyone, anywhere, at any time. But there's something we can all do to fight back. And it starts with sharing information and spreading awareness. Just think about it. What if someone you knew had ignored that persistent cough or that unusual lump simply because they didn't know it could be a sign of something serious? We often take our health for granted, and it's easy to dismiss symptoms as being nothing more than a minor inconvenience. But when it comes to cancer, early detection can make all the difference. That's why it's so crucial for us to talk about it, to share our knowledge and experiences, to support those who are fighting, and to educate those who might not know the risks. It's about making sure that everyone understands the importance of regular checkups and screenings, because the sooner cancer is detected, the better the chances of successful treatment. But this isn't just about helping ourselves, it's about helping others too. By sharing this video, you're not just passing on information, you're passing on hope. You're passing on the chance for someone to catch their cancer early, to get the treatment they need, and to continue living their life. So, let's make a commitment. Let's commit to being more aware, to looking out for our loved ones, and to spreading the word about the importance of early detection. Let's use our collective voices to make a difference, to fight back against cancer, and to help save lives. Don't let your knowledge be a solitary beacon. Share it. Spread it. Let it illuminate the path for others. Because the more we know about cancer, the better equipped we are to fight it. Remember, every share could potentially save a life. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Together, we can make a difference in the fight against cancer.